friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel All in 1K, and in this video we're gonna discuss about comments in Python. Before we going to see comments in Python, first of all access the playlist of Python. So friends, without getting any further delay, let's get started. Comments in Python. So basically, what is comment? Comment is nothing but the comments in Python are the lines in the code that are ignored by the interpreter during the execution of the program. Comments enhance the readability of the code and help the programmers to understand the code very carefully. In simple words, comments are line of code which can be ignored by the interpreter. Comments can be used to explain Python code. Comments can be used to make the code more readable. There are two types of comments in Python. First is single line comment and second is multi-line comment. Single line comment can be represented by hash. After hash, whatever we write, it is treated as a comment. Then we see multi-line comment. Multi-line comment can be given in 3 single quotes or 3 double quotes like this. If this video is helpful for you, then like this video, share this video with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel All in 1K. Thanks for watching.